Hello and welcome back to Curiosity Lounge. Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. We've all heard about the Big Bang Theory that explains how the universe came into existence. Most of us just take it as an undeniable fact, just like the belief that Marvel fans are upset about James McAvoy leaving the X-Men franchise. The truth may be a bit different though, and I'm not talking about McAvoy. The Big Bang Theory is nothing more than an attempt to explain the creation of the world made by astronomers of the 20th century. There have appeared many new scientific discoveries since that time, and many of them shake the foundations of the famous theory. It's full of gaps and unanswered questions. So doesn't this mean it's not that perfect? In this video, we'll find out how many dimensions can the universe have? What if the world was made of liquid? And most importantly, you'll find out why the Big Bang Theory could be wrong. At first, it seems that the Big Bang Theory sounds plausible. It says that around 14 billion years ago, the universe existed as a space singularity. Simply put, it was a teeny tiny object composed of small particles similar to an atom. With an immensely high density, the object was so hot that at some point it suddenly expanded and triggered the Big Bang. This baby grew to the size of a solar system at a speed similar to something like the speed of light. Modern scientific studies partly confirm this version of events. Observations show that other galaxies move away from us, and the distances between them become longer as well. This means that they used to be located much closer to each other. It turns out that the universe is expanding, and according to astronomers, this process will end sooner or later, and then the world will start contracting back into that space, like it was at the very beginning. Any questions yet? Yes, lots of them. First of all, this theory doesn't mention what led up to the Big Bang. In singularity, it could be that scientists forgot to tell us about that. No, they just don't know what to tell us. Everyone nurtures the hope that they'll find the answer in the theory of quantum gravity when the world's best brains finally sort it out. Secondly, the theory claims that starting from the moment when the Big Bang occurred, the expansion of the universe has been accelerating. But what is the reason for that? Thirdly, the universe is much bigger than our eyes can see. Equipment designed for astronomical research becomes more advanced and lets us detect more distant objects. Scientists need to better clean their glasses and their telescope lenses, and then they'll see there's no reason to believe that the process of expansion will ever stop. The most formidable opponent of the Big Bang Theory is the hypothesis saying that the world appeared out of nothing. It not only denies the singularity that preceded the Big Bang, but also excludes the possibility that the universe will eventually contract back to its original state. Scientist Ahmed Farag Ali reckons that the universe has neither a beginning nor end. Its size and lifetimes are infinite. Other alternative theories also argue with the Big Bang Theory over many details. For instance, they disagree that there was just one Big Bang. The cyclic model of the universe proposed by American physicist Paul Frampton assumes that there actually were a series of Big Bangs. What's more, they keep occurring all the time according to one of the versions suggested by this theory. Dark matter triggers the expansion of the universe until it splits into separate fragments, each of them becoming a new contracting universe that releases energy which in turn causes another Big Bang. This cycle endlessly repeats, which rules out a beginning or end of time as stated by the Big Bang Theory. Besides, the cyclic model of the universe gives us its own idea of dimensions. We tend to think that there are 3 of them, like on regular coordinate systems showing the length, width, and height, plus a nice bonus, the notion of time. However, the physical world of the cyclic model of the universe includes 10 spatial and 1 time dimension, or 11 in total. Under the concept of dimension, scientists here mean spaces similar to our universe. They're called branes, short for membranes. There's also a version that the Big Bang happened due to our brain hitting another one. Such collisions occur all the time and come in cycles. The bad news is that this hypothesis has the same problem the Big Bang Theory struggles with. It's not clear how these cycles got started in the first place. Hopefully, revolutionary equipment of the future will later fill in the blanks of the cyclic Big Bang's theory. That's all for today. Tell us your thoughts in the comments below. Also, remember to hit that like and subscribe button to Curiosity Lounge so that you never miss any amazing video from us.